Okay guys, today I'm going to be unboxing The Blind Side, starring Sandra Bullock, and I don't know his name though. So it has a Blu-ray compact, Blu-ray DVD, and the Ultraviolet, best of Warner Brothers. So it's based on an extraordinary true story. It's some seal of approval by parents or something. It's the 90 years entertaining the world and stuff. I'll show you guys. It's fine. Warner Brothers. Just back, special features, exclusive on Blu-ray, 2 scenes from the movie. These are the special features, I think. Yeah. And additional scenes. So the ultraviolet code. And yeah, running time is like 128 minutes, and range PG, and black. I'll show you the other thing cover. So it's obviously the same. Show you guys back. So it says it's directed by, written and directed by John Lee Hancock, and alright, I'll just unbox for you guys. Give me a couple of seconds. Knife. Hi guys, I'm almost done. Plastic some boxes. I can check it out. Fuck. 1 minute, I got the code here. It's the code for it. Bonus code. And then just put it there. It's DVD. Artwork as the front cover and the slip cover, and this is the Blu-ray. And yeah. So yeah guys, that was my unboxing of the Blind Side on Blu-ray. Hope you like it. Please subscribe, comment, rate. I'll have some more Blu-ray unboxing stuff, updates and all that coming next week maybe. I'll just see you guys later. Bye.